Imagine this. It's your first paycheck. You worked 40 hours. But when you open your bank app, poof, a chunk is gone. Dang, taxes. Ever wondered where your money actually goes? Why does the government take it? And more importantly, how much should you really be paying? If you're between 18 and 30, let me be honest, taxes are stealing your money if you don't understand them. But by the end of this video, you'll have a simplified, powerful grasp of how US taxes work, so you can take control of your income, plan smarter, and build real wealth. Stick with me, because what you don't know about taxes could cost you thousands over the next few years. And oh, if you've ever asked, wait, what even is FICA? You're definitely in the right place. Point number 1. What are taxes, really? Taxes are basically the government's way of saying, thanks for your hard work, we'll be taking a slice. But here's the real twist. Taxes aren't just about what you owe, they're a map to understanding the system and how to win within it. Let's break it down. Federal income tax. This is the biggest chunk. It's based on your income bracket. The more you earn, the more you pay. State income tax. Depends on where you live. Florida, no state income tax. California, brace yourself. Payroll taxes. FICA, funds Social Security and Medicare, taken out before you even see your check. Pop quiz. Do you know how many types of taxes are deducted before you even touch your paycheck? If you guessed a lot, you're not wrong, but we'll fix that. Point number 2, how tax brackets actually work. Here's a common myth. If I make more money, I'll move into a higher tax bracket and lose more of my income. Wrong. That's like saying eating the whole cake ruins the flavor of the first slice. Truth is, tax brackets are marginal. You pay different rates on different portions of your income. Say you earn $50,000. The first part is taxed at 10%, the next at 12%, then 22%, and so on. You're not being punished for success, you're taxed in layers. And here's where the game gets interesting. In the next section, I'll show you how smart people legally pay way less in taxes than they should. And yes, you can be one of them. Point number 3, tax deductions versus tax credits. Let's talk tax weapons. And no, not the scary IRS kind. There are 2 you must understand. Deductions. These reduce your taxable income. Credits. These reduce your tax bill directly. Think of deductions like putting on Spanx. It shrinks the part people, aka the IRS, sees. Credits? That's like a coupon that takes money off the final bill. Examples: student loan interest deduction, lifetime learning credit, retirement savings contributions, charitable donations. Smart taxpayers use these to cut thousands off their tax bill. But we're just scratching the surface. Coming up, I'll reveal the silent killer of your paycheck and how to fight it with one powerful form. Point number 4, withholding W-4s. Ever feel like your tax refund is huge, but your paychecks are tiny? You might be giving the IRS an interest-free loan. Enter the W-4 form, the most misunderstood document in your first job. What you write here determines how much money is withheld from every paycheck. Too much? You get a refund, but miss out on investing or saving that money now. Too little? You owe it tax time. Check your W-4 today. Adjusting it could put hundreds back in your monthly income. And guess what? Most people haven't updated theirs in years. Still think taxes are boring? We're about to go from surviving taxes to mastering them. Point number 5, how the wealthy pay less taxes legally. Let's be real. You've heard billionaires pay less tax than you. It's true and legal. Why? Because they understand one rule. The tax code rewards behaviors the government wants to encourage. Investing in real estate? Tax breaks. Starting a business? Tax deductions. Contributing to retirement plans? More breaks. The tax system isn't rigged against you. It's just optimized for people who know the rules. But guess what? You're now learning the same rules they've been using for years. And next, I'll give you a roadmap to actually use these strategies in 2025. Because making smart tax moves is only half the battle. You've just unlocked the first step to financial mastery. Understanding how U.S. taxes work isn't just adulting, it's wealth building. Here's what you should do today. Revisit your W-4 and paycheck. Look up tax credits and deductions you qualify for. Start planning, not just earning. Because in the money game, ignorance is expensive. But you're not average. You're here to live smart, save smarter, and build a life of freedom. And if you want to level up your savings and keep more money in your pocket starting now, click the video on screen, How to Save Money in 2025, Even If You're Broke. You'll learn actionable tips to stack your cash,